Ever found yourself wondering, what if the IRS audits me? It's a thought that weighs heavy in the minds of many. The very prospect of an audit can send chills down one's spine, stirring up images of tax officers scrutinizing every single transaction. The fear is real, and understandably so, given the complex tax laws that could leave anyone perplexed. But fear not, my friends. The good news we bring today is that there are strategies to steer through this ominous landscape. Whether it's preparing meticulously, ensuring accurate reporting, or seeking professional help, there are routes available. We're here to chart the course, and we're going to dive into the details. Call Metro Accounting and Tax Services at 404-990-3365 for professional advice. An audit by the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, is an examination of an organization's or individual's accounts and financial information. But what does this really mean? Allow me to elaborate. It's a journey into the heart of your fiscal activities, a detailed and meticulous review of all your financial transactions. These transactions can be various, from tax returns and income statements to complex deductions and credits. The primary goal of this rigorous process is to ensure that every detail you've provided aligns perfectly with the stringent provisions of the tax laws. The IRS has the authority to examine your records as per their discretion. They are like detectives, searching for any discrepancies or anomalies that might indicate any kind of tax evasion or fraud. Every decimal point counts, every digit matters. The IRS's objective is not only to validate the reported information, but also to verify the reported amount of tax is correct. They want to make sure everything is above board. Sounds intimidating, right? The mere mention of an IRS audit can send a chill down the spine of even the most law-abiding taxpayer. It feels like walking a tightrope, with the potential for penalties and legal issues if you happen to slip. But fear not. Metro Accounting and Tax Services, a reputable CPA in Atlanta, is here to share some practical and actionable tips on surviving IRS audits. First and foremost, don't ignore the audit letter. Let me emphasize the importance of this primary step. It's not a piece of communication you can afford to disregard. This isn't like an unwanted bill or an unsolicited advertisement. Ignoring the letter will not make the audit go away. Quite the contrary, evasion is not a solution. It's like trying to hide from a storm in the middle of an open field. If you think ignoring it will help, let me assure you, it won't. It can escalate the situation, leading to severe consequences that might include penalties, financial strains, or even a court summons. It's not just a matter of potential financial loss or inconvenience. It's about your accountability, integrity, and legal obligations, so give it the respect it deserves. Act promptly and responsibly. Next, understand why you're being audited. This is an essential step in your journey. The Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, doesn't arbitrarily choose taxpayers for audit. Instead, they usually select based on anomalies or discrepancies found in tax returns. These can range from minor mistakes to substantial underreporting of income. The discrepancies catch their attention and raise red flags, prompting them to delve deeper. Therefore, it's crucial to understand the root cause of your audit. Comprehending the exact reason behind this can enlighten your path to prepare effectively. Third, gather all the necessary documents. These documents are absolutely critical. They form the backbone of your case, substantiating your claims and making your argument much stronger. You might find yourself asking, what sort of documents should I collect? The answer to that depends on the specifics of your case, but can range widely. You might need to gather up receipts. These provide tangible proof of your purchases and transactions. Bills too can serve a similar purpose, establishing a clear record of your financial history. Legal papers, such as court orders or contracts, are also often crucial and can provide a compelling narrative for judges and juries. Lastly, we could consider loan agreements, tickets, or any other form of written communication or documentation that might be relevant. These can offer verifiable proof of your rights, obligations, and interactions. Remember, these are not exhaustive categories, so always think critically about what might serve as useful evidence. These might include receipts, bills, legal papers, loan agreements, or tickets. Fourth, consider getting professional help. This step could prove invaluable. A professional like a tax resolution CPA, such as Metro Accounting and Tax Services, is a specialist in tax matters. Their experience ranges from simple tax filing to complex IRS audits. These professionals understand the intricate dynamics of IRS processes. They have spent considerable time learning the ins and outs of tax law. With this knowledge, they can navigate the convoluted process of an IRS audit, providing you with much-needed guidance. They have the expertise to handle negotiations and disputes with the IRS. Fifth, be honest and cooperative. It's crucial to remember that truth is your best ally when dealing with the IRS. Dishonesty can lead you down a dangerous path, potentially resulting in serious legal ramifications. This includes the potential for criminal charges, which are not only damaging to your reputation, but also carry severe financial penalties. To avoid such consequences, it's paramount to cooperate fully, being transparent in all your dealings. Openly answer all their inquiries. Don't hold back on details. Your best defense is comprehensive disclosure of all relevant information. Provide all requested documents. Finally, know your rights. As a taxpayer, you are protected by the IRS's Taxpayer Bill of Rights. This special document, established to provide a clearer understanding of your protections, includes several vital rights that you should be aware of. Preceding all, it guarantees your entitlement to respectful, courteous treatment from IRS personnel. Transparency and privacy are also a critical part of your privileges, ensuring your information remains confidential. Lastly, you also possess the right to appeal decisions, giving you a voice in the process. In summary, surviving an IRS audit involves several key steps that must be taken with diligence and precision. The process may initially seem daunting, but with the right information and preparation, it is a manageable task. The first step is to act promptly and responsibly. Upon receiving notice of an audit, you should immediately begin gathering relevant documentation. These could be receipts, forms, or any other documents that validate your tax claims. Understanding the reason for the audit is a crucial step. The IRS will typically provide clear reasons, helping you focus on the areas of contention. Being aware of these reasons can be instrumental in guiding your response and preparation. Consider seeking professional help. Engaging a trusted certified public accountant, CPA, can be beneficial. They specialize knowledge of tax laws and the necessary skills to guide you through the audit process. We recommend services like Metro Accounting and Tax Services, known for their expertise and dedication to client success. Honesty and cooperation cannot be overstated. Being forthright with your information and cooperating fully with the IRS will go a long way towards making the process smoother. It's also important to remember that you have rights during an audit. Knowledge of these rights can be a powerful ensuring fair treatment and a just outcome. The thought of an IRS audit can indeed be unnerving, but remember, it is insurmountable. The key is to equip yourself with the right knowledge and to approach the process with confidence. Remember, it's not about the challenge, it's about how you respond to it. Secure a free IRS tax consultation today at metroaccountingandtaxes.com or call 404-990-3365.